Hey there everyone, I'm Michael, and, well, I know it's Tuesday today, but I decided to do a development update because there have been some rather awesome features that we would like to show off. The first of which, is to do with Pong. It's something that I added, so if we go to Pong and we play it, there are also some other features and some bugs, as you'll see right now. The title bar is missing, blank panel button, and some stuff is cut off. So there are a fair share of bugs, but there are also some features. Another developer of the game, they added in 2 Pong upgrades that I currently have installed right now. The first of which costs 4,000 code points, and it doubles the amount of code points you get from Pong. So that's something neat to look forward to. And the second, which costs 10,000 code points, it makes it so that when you lose, you actually gain 1% of the code points you could have gotten if you had won and cashed out. So if you get 1,000 code points, you're going to get 10. So yeah. Actually, I think I did my math incorrectly. Oh well. Actually, yeah, I did it right. This next feature, I have to actually play Pong for a bit, just till the end of the level to show off. It's kind of work in progress, doesn't really work out well. The user interface works right, but it's the data that doesn't go in correctly. But we'll just wait for this Pong level to end. So, whenever you normally win Pong, you get 2 options. You can either cash out or play on for more code points, but now you can actually see the high scores of what other people have gotten in Pong, as well as yourself. However, the data is kind of messed up, as you'll see, and I've gotten to level 7, and I've gotten to level 7 after this was implemented, so it's kind of broken right now, unfortunately. But yeah, that's Pong. It is a bit cut off some user interface elements. That's because of how the window engine is working nowadays. It's kind of bugged out. I have to go in and fix that. The next is with the shifter and a new skinning option. It's kind of a minor one, but if you go into panel buttons, you'll see a new option, panel button from top. And I have mine set to 0 because in my Windows 10 skin, in Windows 10, your panel buttons or taskbar icons are the same height as the taskbar itself. So I have a height of 40 applied to the taskbar and a height of 40 applied to the panel buttons. And I want my entire panel button to be visible. However, a bug with previous iterations of this skin system is you could not change the position of the panel button relative to the top of the desktop panel, but now you can. So yeah, that's how you do that. The next is a bit of an experimental feature, however it is pretty cool, and it's a sign of things to come. If we open up our terminal, then we type in coherence.launch process cmd.exe and hit enter, you'll see that although we've got 2 title bars, we now have kernel coherence between ShiftOS and Microsoft Windows. So we can actually run Windows applications within ShiftOS. And yeah, and apparently my mouse is a bit glitchy there. And if we drag around the Windows application, the ShiftOS borders will come with us. And again, my mouse is kind of being a real glitch right now. If we resize, you'll see the window goes with it as well. However, you have to drag by the actual window border. Otherwise this happens. It kind of pulls apart. And apparently we kind of broke something here. Not sure how I managed to do that, but I managed to break my own program, unintentionally. That is a really weird bug. Anyways, that is kernel coherence, otherwise known as coherence mode in 0.0.9. Some other stuff you'll be able to do with kernel coherence is you'll be able to mount Windows drives, USB drives and stuff like that with NTFS formatted partitions instead of ShiftOS, which is a file system in a file type thing, which is kind of cool. But that's not implemented. It's kind of in an early state, this kernel coherence stuff. So yeah. Anyways, that's it for this quick development update. Saturday one will have even more features to show off. I've been Michael. I will see you guys in the next video.